Now let's check the supply of the compressed air source. When you close the machine, you need to cut off the air source and then take off the plug. When the machine is delivered, this tube stand is moved and packed in the carton. The vibrator and the elevator will be not placed like this in the container, and we will disconnect this connector, and also this connector. So when the machine is delivered to your factory, you need to connect these connectors together so they can coordinate. This is the switches of the power. Okay. Please remove these fastening parts on the vibrator before using it.